Well, there's a lot of job opportunities out there for plumbers, and it's a skill that's in demand, and I just want to be a part of be a part of that. Enlightening. There's been a lot of ins and outs, so to say, about how to do things, and it's really interesting. I've really found it interesting and fulfilling. This is actually quite a good centre, and the facilities here are actually better than some of the places I've actually trained at, so yeah, there's a thumbs up to that. Well, I intend to look for employment within the plumbing industry or facilities and work my way up from there. Definitely do it. It's a worthwhile skill. You can take it anywhere worldwide. The money's good, and you can from there you can go to anything you want, oil rigs or anything like that, basically.